Hello, water signs, Cancerians, Scorpions, and Pisceans. Welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with the reading, okay? Timeless reading, so the call will be there. I'm going to put out the dates. Let's start. I heard hard rules, HARD, RULES, hard rules will be WILLBED, neglected. Okay, and this neglected reason is going to be wonderful for some of you because you want to do it, because you've been in hardships or hard routines here. This is going to be neglected for a while, okay, for some specific reason here. I'm going to start your reading. So neglected is not right when you are neglecting someone or neglecting something important in your life. It depends, but here what I see is it's going to be neglected for someone specific. There is something which is going to be done by you, and maybe you're not doing it, maybe you are not getting time, but now you're going to neglect something. I feel like it's going to be neglecting the work, okay, or rules or something, in order to be with the one you want to, in order to do what you want to do, in order to act on something that you always wanted to do, okay. You have the bottom energy as Page of Cups energy. I feel you're going to come out of that and you're going to have this expression here. Page of Cups is possible you're going to have certain talk with someone, you're going to, hard rules will be neglected for a day or two kind of energy maybe, or for some time, in order to have that rose, okay. So because I saw, like, after this I saw rose, so rose may be connected especially with the passion and love that you feel for someone, little bit being free with the person in order to express. I feel this is, if this is the startup, you're going to express what you really feel, and you're not what you seem to be all the time. It is not you, it is you because you follow the lead, you follow some timetable, but it is also the other side of you, which is soft side kind of, that you can be like this as well, or expressive. So you are expressing something. If it makes sense to you, please connect with that vibe, otherwise just let it go, okay. I feel that you're going to show your soft side to someone you never showed or never showed in a while, because you are following something, hard rules of neglecting, or neglecting your feelings. Oh no, I don't feel that way kind of energy, but now you are accepting. Or you were expecting from some time, accepting something from some time, and now you're going to, let loose of something, like opening up kind of heart matters. So there is expression, there may be some startup or brewing stage of love, because there's rose. This may be your first date after a long time, or maybe some of you are going on your first date, okay. So Page of Cups is definitely expression, love, official is going to happen after this, because you have Ace of Pentacles, which is amazing. Some of you are about to do the commitment here, maybe official proposal kind of thing. You're ready, maybe you are proposing them on the beach, or maybe you're proposing them where water is there kind of energy, or this may be something especially connected with the Piscean. Something is happening in your life, Piscean, you're more expressive in your emotions, or maybe this is some good news coming your way, which is emotional for you, and going to share this with your person if they are with you. If it's not and you're in the starting phase, then you're going to talk about this. But with this energy, I feel something that you're very sincere about, sincerity towards your person. This is also something that you are hearing after 1 year. Something is going to get approved here. This may again be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, because this is for everyone, but I kind of get this vibe somehow looking at it, also Piscean in specific, or maybe Cancer, Scorpio, okay. So I see, like, first card is this, I see, as and they want me to take, look, that's what is happening in your life. King of Cups energy. So maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean involved, or however this is your energy that you are figuring out something about your how I'm going to express this. For some of your work related thing is coming true. Maybe this is a pay coming for your work, you're happy, you're sharing certain note, okay. Let's see. Some of you are getting in contact with someone who maybe is with you and is your lover. Some of you are getting engaged, okay. maybe some of you got engaged in this year, or by the end of year you're going to get engaged, because that's what I see. Ace of Pentacles. There is on a serious note and sincere note, something is going to be getting registered, or if that's not the case, going to be at least approved from both of your side. With the Lovers, there may be Gemini here. This is also Ace of Cups, which is very interesting. Okay, I feel like something is coming in picture. There is proposal, there's approval, there's possible love coming in picture. There's a union of true lovers coming here. Blessing is coming here, and this may be happening after some time, like kind of energy. Maybe it is about something that ended, or something that was at the verge of ending, after possible death phase here. Maybe a Scorpion is going through such phase. But whatever is happening here, I see fruition. Okay, so hard rules will be neglected for this. It's not going to be coming here. Some of you might have gone through, you practice that hard rules of, no, I'm going to neglect that and all that stuff, but you cannot. And this phase is telling me all of this concept of like, no, I can't, because love is with me kind of energy. Ace of Cups is definitely coming. So there is, it's such a simple reading actually, which is telling that what is supposed to be, or what was supposed to be, is coming in picture. You being together, okay, you love one another. For some of you, so specific. For some, after endings and the beginning is happening here, you are going for that, like, you know, I can't neglect it anymore. I have to neglect my rules and regulations that I was so much fixed on. This is Lovers, true lovers. Can't stay away, okay. There is movement with the person, moving in with the person, or movement in order to meet with the person, in order to confirm something. There's a travel from the midst of like your hard regulations and everything, or you are somewhere, maybe there's a distance. You people are coming together in order to talk something so important from your past, or from your recent past, or in this current phase, whatever is going on, like the episode's changing, okay. So it's kind of like the way the reel changes, the way the episode is coming here in your life, okay. Definitely there's a move. The thing that you walked away from, or you people were at a distance, maybe there was emotional distance, maybe you walked away, you're missing that playfulness, or someone is missing, and I feel like hard rules will be neglected for this purpose. Like, I can't, I have to accept it. So this is about someone who's taking the U-turn. Ace of Wands here, putting action in this picture in order to return kind of energy. I feel like this is happening, like someone is ready to take action now. Maybe you're ready to take action for something here. It's kind of energy when butterfly is ready, like no more in a caterpillar phase, metamorphosis and all that stuff, and then heading towards. I feel like this is the travel to someone, or towards someone you miss and you walked away, or they walked away kind of energy, because your energy of Page of Cups is quite prominent here. And Ace of Wands is the right action that you were supposed to take all this time, you're going to take. I just asked that, my eyes were on Page of Cups, and I asked, what is this for? And this is what you are feeling and what your expression is going to be. You are on your reading, King of Cups. You are, you know, you're confirmed about something. You are very much confident about something. You know, this is what I want, and this is what I want to tell to the person. So you are about to do something here. At least that's what I see, okay? Your action is going to be Page of Cups. Can't let loose of this person. Holding in feelings for them, okay? You have karma, and this is what connects you both, okay? Karmically, you people are connected, obviously. Now, karmically can be lessons, karmically can be love coming, but hard rules will be neglected. So whatever it is, it's going to be in order to come back, okay, together. It's a heavy reunion kind of energy. It's a callback, something that you are trying to manifest here, and this is what is Ten of Cups. You're manifesting, blossoming something. Some of you love your person so much who's already with you here. You're married to the person, you are with the person, you love them, Karmically you are connected, you have a family, you may have children or child, but someone over here is also moving in order to fetch their dreams, kind of something here which may make you miss. Okay, but I also feel like there is someone who's missing someone so bad. Look, after all this wandering, like zero the Fool energy, you have 5 of Cups, you have Strength, Leo, you have zero the Fool energy. So after all this wandering and all this stuff, someone is feeling more bond with the person, and if this is an offer, it's going to be done here. Someone does want this bond to work. Missing aspect, okay, absence of emotions, making them come towards someone or go towards someone with more connectivity here. Okay, if this is not yet done, there's going to be an offer coming your way, or you're about to make offer to someone. There's a free, someone who is getting free from something, like possible it is expression. When they are going to express, you are going to express, you're going to feel free. I've done it. This is what I feel with you, feel for you kind of energy. Finale, doing what you are supposed to do and getting free from that burden from heart. Okay, like hard rules will be neglected. Okay, that's what I felt, and now that's what I want. Past person. Now some of you are connected with them, obviously, so they are connected with them, that they are past person. Some of you are going to get in contact with the past person here. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Watching you. So you are watching them, they are watching you. Past person is watching you, you are watching past person. They have feelings. Now this goes from both the sides. You're going to figure out, do they have feelings for you still, the past person, or you're going to express that in order to figure out that they have feelings for you. There's a lot of emotions and water. I see like you're going to figure out this. Okay, and someone is going to be around, which is about gonna be around. I hope this is going to help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.